Peace of mind is being ahead of schedule, to be in control, to secure long-term quality and reliability. Will you ever get peace of mind? Hardly by losing time on paperwork, or by suffering from inefficient processes, or by not meeting the safety requirements. The Roxtec software suite is a set of interlinked digital tools for mechanical seals. From now on, you can manage all cable and pipe transits online. Software for designers, for construction teams, and for owners and operators work together in real time. Use the Roxtec software suite to ensure total control of every seal on the asset throughout its entire life cycle. Here's an example of how it works. Roxtec Transit Designer makes it possible to design hundreds of cable and pipe transits in just a few minutes. You can now get the right seal with the right certificate for the right application. Roxtec Transit Build enables a seamless construction workflow. Specialists within quality assurance and production management can now keep track of and document the cable and pipe seal installation quality and hand over a digital transit seal systems register to the owner. Roxtec Transit Operate is a transit management software for systemized control over time. Owners, operators, and maintenance teams benefit from an activity log for each transit, covering initial installations to recent upgrades. It keeps all documents and certificates easily available. That's how the digital tools in the Roxtec software suite work together, instantly and seamlessly. And that's how they can help all of you to be ahead of schedule and in control.